Hey guys, I just got from work. Honestly, it was a long day today. It was a long day. Like I said, every time I work a long hour, bro. And working a job, you don't really love it. But it's not easy. Of course, it's not easy. You work a job, you don't enjoy it, you don't love it. But you're just doing. And the best time of my journey is when when my shift is over. So like when I finish it, when I just finish it work, I just feel free. I feel free like no pressure, just free, bro. Free like happy man, bro. I promise you. And then I just think about I'm done right now. I got nothing to do. Just take my train back home. I just feeling good. I'm feeling good at the time. And at the point recording my video, it's the time I'm really enjoying it. I'm enjoying doing that. Than go to the job, do the job you don't like it, bro. I prefer recording my video, talk to you, talk to just a talk, bro. Just talk and talk about my journey, talk about my challenge, talk about things happening to me like today at the work. But it's things I like. I just like to talk about it, bro. I like to talk about it, and it's benefit for me because I practicing every time I English speaking. Then I record myself, and then I just tryna be the best on camera. So it's like that, and I really like it. I enjoy it. So the best part is when the shift is over, go back home, you feel free, happy man, bro, and smiling. But I'm not saying when I walk, I'm not smile, I'm angry, sad, nah, bro. Just I don't like it, bro. But I know it's not. I know it's just for a moment. Like I say, it's for a moment. It's temporary. It's temporary, of course. Walking like that, I'm not gonna doing that. It's over my life or all my life. Nah, bro. It's temporary. That's the way I take. I wanna improve my English. I wanna build my future, bro. I'm now gonna stay like that. It's working 95, like 20, 40 years. Bro, I prefer that in doing that, bro. Of course. But after that, I will talk about one thing. This is my new gym clothes, bro. I don't know. I don't know. But I'm not crazy, but of course. How can I say the name of things? My road broad. I don't know. It's road broad. The things I put my clothes inside, bro. Half on 90 or 80% is just the gym clothes, bro. I like just excuse me, that's outside. I live in the Bronx, by the way, bro. The Bronx, this is the sound every time. This is our sound, bro, here. Okay. But I just like to wear like in gym clothes. I don't know for what reason, but I'm feeling good on it. I'm feeling good on it, and I'm feeling comfortable on it, bro. And I can wear and I can just have a style like this like every day. That's how I don't like winter time, bro. I don't like winter time, bro. Because it's all the jacket, the heavy shoes, like a boot, waterproof, bro. The jacket and the I don't like it, bro. But I got no choice. I got no choice, bro. And these things happening to me. I just think about it today when I was back to the work. I say, bro, you just like have a gym, a lot of gym clothes like that, like Under Armour, Nike, stuff like that. But I say, but if you just DM them on Instagram and you play like a hi, I'm a model, so I used to close your brand every time. But if we can have a collaboration like a shooting photo, so I just put the clothes and I take a picture. I try to do some marketing for them, and then they pay me. But for this one, it's not impossible, bro. It's not impossible to doing that. You have you have to be like a most influencer and have an audience. Of course, if you have an audience, you have people following you and you have an influence, you can do that easily, bro. But for me, it's not for that, bro. For me, I just like wearing like that, bro. That's my style. That's my style, bro. I like gym clothes. That's my style, of course. When I was living in my country, it's the same thing I do. But over there, sometimes a lot of judgment. Oh, you just like wear like a baby, like a young boy, like a bro. I don't care, bro. That's my style. That's how I like to wear. Some people don't like it. I understand them, but that's my style. I'm not going to talk about all the video of my style, but this thing happening to me, and I will talk about it. Okay, but after that, after recording video, I got some hesitation. I will go to do my laundry, and then tomorrow I go to the gym early. Maybe I can go to the gym early, and then I got free after I got time maybe to rest and do with things I like to do, of course. But it's not just talk to talk. It's just force my brain to talk things happening to me, and trying to describe my journey, and trying to describe my emotion, trying to describe how I am feel like on camera right now. I'm feeling good, like I said. It's the part I like there. I like press recording and talk and speak. That's me. That's things I really like to improve, a lot. Of course, I really like to improve a lot my speaking skill, uh, to be really clear, speak really clear on camera, and trying to tell so like trying to tell a story really easily. And like I say, if you wanna be better on something, you just have to doing the things again and again and again, bro. That's how I just record every time. Every time I record, I know I'm not perfect. I'm not perfect, I say. I'm not perfect. I'm not perfect. I just do. I just do the one step every day. I just do the one step every day. I just do the one step every day. That's it. And one step a day, that's how you go forward. That's how you go forward. But if you start at the same place, you don't do the one step, and you still at the same place, bro. You think you still at the same place. Nah. Of course you move, or you move back. Because other people move forward and you move back. Well, bro, I think you understand my thoughts. But I just trying to describe how I will explain how I will explain you, and I think you understand that, bro. So I'm not gonna waste your time. So every step counts. Stay strong. Like I say, bye bye.